Class 9 CBSE Social Science. Here are more questions and answers for Class 9 CBSE Social Science. 91. What are the causes of deforestation in India? Answer. Agricultural expansion. The need for more agricultural land has led to clearing forests. Urbanization. Growing cities and towns require land for housing and infrastructure. Logging. Commercial logging for timber and paper products contributes to forest loss. Infrastructure development, construction of roads, dams, and other infrastructure projects leads to habitat destruction. 92. What is secularism? Answer. Secularism is the principle of separating religion from the government and ensuring that individuals have the right to practice any religion or none at all. Key features include equality of all religions. The state treats all religions equally without favoring any. Freedom of religion. Individuals are free to follow their beliefs and practices. No religious influence in governance. Laws and policies are made without religious influence, promoting a pluralistic society. 93. Explain the impact of the Right to Education Act in India. Answer. Increased enrollment. The Act has significantly increased enrollment rates in primary education. Quality of education. It emphasizes the quality of education and infrastructure in schools. Child rights. It recognizes education as a fundamental right for children aged 6 to 14. Social equity. The Act promotes inclusive education for marginalized communities, helping reduce inequalities. 94. What are the major objectives of the Indian foreign policy? Answer. National security, ensuring the safety and security of the country and its citizens. Economic development, promoting trade and economic cooperation with other countries. Global peace and stability, contributing to international peacekeeping efforts and conflict resolution. Promotion of sovereignty, protecting India's sovereignty and independence in foreign relations. 95. What is the significance of the Indian National Congress in the freedom struggle? Answer. Leadership role. The Indian National Congress Inc. provided leadership and direction to the freedom movement. Mass mobilization. It mobilized people across the country for the struggle against British rule. Political representation. The Inc. represented the aspirations and rights of Indians in negotiations with the British. Promotion of national unity. It played a crucial role in fostering a sense of national identity and unity among diverse groups. 96. What are the different forms of government? Answer. Democracy. Power lies with the people who elect their representatives. Monarchy. A single ruler, king or queen, holds power, which may be absolute or constitutional. Dictatorship. One person or a small group holds absolute power, often without the consent of the governed. Republic. A form of government where the country is considered a public matter and officials are accountable to the public. 97. What are the main features of a market economy? Answer. Private property. Individuals have the right to own and control property. Free competition. Businesses compete freely, leading to innovation and efficiency. Consumer choice. Consumers have the freedom to choose products and services, influencing market trends. Limited government intervention. The government's role is minimal, primarily focused on enforcing laws and regulations. 98. What is the role of women in the Indian economy? Answer. Workforce participation. Women contribute significantly to various sectors, including agriculture, manufacturing, and services. Entrepreneurship. Increasingly, women are becoming entrepreneurs, starting their businesses and contributing to economic growth. Skill development. Women are gaining skills in education, enhancing their employability and economic independence. Social change. Women's economic participation drives social change, challenging traditional roles and promoting gender